I didn't see this. Eye wash. No, it's not on. Don't think there's any on. This is mine. My exact one. Here's my variations of it. Here's my one again, but I think mine is. I forgot how much mine was, but this one's 11 kg and it's like 7 kg, so there's a big difference there. Budget? No. Into it. 3 pennies. It's not, they're not on the sauce bar, no. Some drawers. Similar to mine, but again at the same time. Yeah, it's got. Yeah, this is just like mine. I think it's a bit different now. Same for the door. The door's the main difference. That looks like mine, but it's not. More invert motors. This one's 9 kg, I think. Forgot what mine was. This looks kind of big. Don't think any are on. No, my phone won't fit in there. None of these are on. I don't think a single washer here is on. And keep looking though. Some dishwashers. None are on. 10 kilograms and 9 kilograms. This has that in it, so has that door. Hold on. Someone have these. Someone was taken here. Sold. I forgot what one I have, but what if I give him a hold? No, I don't think that's on.